Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. Okay, it's not actually unboxing, it is already open. So let's do a review on this one. So I didn't remove this tape yet. So this one is a Saleen S7. So this one, the very first time I saw this car was on Asphalt GT, I think around 2006 or 2007, around that time. So this car looked really weird to me. So I know Countach looks really weird. I mean, that looks like a spaceship. But this car it looked a bit weird to me, and I never even heard about this particular brand until that point of time. So, I really had a good time back then, playing that game. Now it is like purely microtransactions and all. Okay, so let's remove the cellophane tape first. So this car is actually by Motormax. This casting is by Motormax, and as you can see here, okay, it is not mentioned here, but this one is actually by Motormax. Okay, they usually mention somewhere here, but I'm not seeing. Okay, fine, let's go through the review and see if it pops out somewhere. Okay, it does have great detailing, to be very honest. So as you can see, the headlights here, the headlights are actually protruding inside. This one has openable hood and openable doors as well, and this is a 1:24 scale, a proper 1:24 scale. And as you can see, the engine detailing here, I really wish this part, the engine bay, was openable, but it is not. But you can still see through that engine details here, the Saleen logo here, which looks really cool. I really liked this car when I was playing that game, so I just went ahead and bought it. I think I bought it for somewhere around 1300 or 1500, around that range. So, and the door, look at the door here. This looks really awesome. This one has really great details, and both doors are openable. If you guys are wondering, let me just show you the other side. And these are actually pretty old castings, if you guys are wondering. So, and these are not easy to get nowadays. So luckily I was able to get this from one of my regular shops. They actually had this without the box, and so the tail lights are actually acrylics like the headlights, and you can see the exhaust details here. Okay, this one is a 2001 model. Yeah, the 7. It looks really cool. And another cool thing about this car is, as you can see, the steering is actually, it is a working steering. I'm not able to put my finger in, but as you can see now, the wheels will turn. It is turning. Okay, not sure if something is hitting here. I can able to turn. Okay, here it is. But one thing is, it doesn't have any suspension. Yeah, it doesn't have any suspension, but I am not going to complain because this is not really easy to get. Okay, let me just try to open the hood. I'm not sure if it opens this way or this way, but I am wondering, since there is a small gap here, I can see the hinge here, it opens in this way. So just give me 1 minute. I'll just try to open this one and come back. Okay, here it is, guys. I just managed to open this. So here is the detailing. This is the cargo space actually. That looks really nice, and it does have rear view mirrors, but doesn't exactly have anything here. It's just a sticker here. Let me just show you this side. This is a sticker here. I think it is supposed to be a really reflective sticker. Maybe over time it just wore off. And it has this wiper details as well, which looks really nice. So overall, the casting looks really awesome. So if you guys get a chance to buy these kind of castings, for around this 1000 to 1500 range, so I suggest you to go ahead and buy it, because nowadays it is not easy to get. And honestly, I can say, if you are getting this, that which means you are lucky enough to buy, to know someone to get these things for you, and that too without not much issue with paint job or any other damages. See, this car doesn't have any damage. So only issue I'm having here is with paint job, which is here. So anyone who actually knows how to do a paint job, they can actually redo this entire car. So if you guys are wondering, the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic. The rims are actually plastic. The tires are rubber. So I forgot to mention this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.